Hello and welcome back to one of my favorite cheese to cook, paneer cheese. So first begin by chopping your paneer into cubes. That's exactly what I'm doing over here. Cut it into your preferred cube size. You can cut it either large or small, whichever you prefer. And then for the paneer cheese, you can find it in any supermarket that you go to. Next, into a pan, add oil and heat it up. Then add your onions. Fry your onions until they are translucent or golden brown, as you prefer. It's upon your choice. And next, add in your ginger and garlic paste and fry slightly for 30 seconds until you can smell the aroma. Then we are going to add in our dhania. Remember the dhania stems because that's where the real flavor is. Followed by our chopped red, yellow and green bell peppers. These ones are going to cook about 2 minutes because you don't want them to overcook. Once slightly cooked, next add in your tomatoes, followed by your tomato paste and the spices. I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box, so check it out. Then finally add some bit of water, not an ocean. Cover and let it simmer until you get a paste from the tomatoes. Once the paste is formed by the tomatoes, next let it just cool before transferring it into a blender and blend into a smooth paste. Once done blending, next in the same pan that you used initially, add some bit of oil, then add in your butter and heat up slightly. Then we're just going to add in the blended paste. Remember, it should be smooth. That's the secret for a good paneer masala, smooth and silky texture. Followed by some spices, the same spices we used initially are the same spices we're going to use right now. Then give it a stir. Finally, add in your paneer. Remember the paneer cheese we cut into cubes? Yes, that's what you're going to add right over here. For that creamy texture, you need to add some cooking cream. Then give it a good stir. Next, we're just going to add some corn flour. This helps it even thicken further, and that's what we want, right? Cover and let it simmer until it thickens. Finally, garnish with some dhania leaves. This is where you use the leaves. Yeah, the stems are for flavoring at the beginning. Then remove and serve and enjoy with your favorite accompaniment. Let me know if it will be naan or rice. Till next time, kwaheri.